All right, so what we got here is a Hunter Studio Series ceiling fan. We installed it in the living room like a few weeks ago. It used to be both chandeliers, just like that. And then we decided to put a ceiling fan here. I've been wanting there to be a fan here a long time, like a long time ago. I'm gonna do a look at the fan. Got dark and light side. There's the Hunter logo in there. Got a 4-way light fixture. It's on this remote right here. And this is the light. This turns the fan on and off. And the arrows change the speeds. Yeah, turn on the light. Yeah. Remote. Dim it. And the light button controls fan light and the chandelier, which is pretty cool. It's because this switch goes to the fan, the chandelier, and the drum light right there. Watch. You know, the drum light comes on, then the chandelier and the fan do. Anyways, I'll turn that off. Now I'm gonna turn the fan on and start the high speed. Let's get about here. Let's put that fast on high. Because this is a new Hunter fan. As you can see, it has the new Hunter canopy. That's like the new Hunter canopy that most new Hunter ceiling fans use. Now for medium. See it wobbles on medium. Now for low. The light. Oops. Pressed the wrong button. Make it bright. There it is. is. Now turn off. Stop it. And that is it. That is the Hunter Studio Series ceiling fan installed in our living room. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.